Okay, so in this video clip, I'm going to go through how we set up executive stock option valuation in Google Sheets using JavaScript. So I already have some video clips explaining uh, the Hull-White model, including the maths uh, and the parameter inputs and the basic outline of how the model works in terms of vesting period, post-vesting, the barrier specification, and the zero region, early exercise region. So all those have a bearing in the options value. That explanation I leave links to in video clips, in hyperlinks beneath this video clip. But we're more specifically interested in Google Sheets. So I'll click on the link here. I already have one Google Sheet that's active, but I'll just build from scratch how you set up the model, then maybe compare to the estimates, the true values or the estimated values in the table of contents above. So to get the Google Sheet to work, we need to copy the code here that I posted in this Google Colab in the text cell of the Colab. And I Control C. Now I have some um, basic steps here outlined, which you can go through. So open the Google Sheets, access the app script, its extensions app script, insert the code, save the script, and then using the function, then run the model, right? The dynamic truncate Hull-White Boyle-Lau model. And we can use these parameter inputs here as well. So I'm going to go into just open up Google Sheets. In my browser, I'm signed into my account, Gmail account, and I go to extensions and then app script. And then I paste the code, the JavaScript that's in the Colab, which I will leave a link to underneath this video. Okay, got it. So we just paste in here, remove that code and paste in. And then importantly, you have to save. I'll also give project title uh, executive stock option. Rename. Okay, and we'll save. And then we'll go back into our Google Sheet. Now I need to just have some ready-made. If I copy these values here, we'll have some ready-made parameter inputs ready to go. Let's just Control V. And then underneath, we might need to note the name of the function just so that we can invoke and come back here to, we'll just copy the function name and parameters. This is not necessary, but it is handy when we're trying to look at the model here. So let's paste in below, Control V, and then to run the valuation, which I'll do in this cell, I'll say equal to dyn trun trun Hull-White Boyle-Lau Hull-White Boyle-Lau open, and then we'll highlight the references. So A1, A2, so K is the exercise, T is the maturity, and I'll just do this in sequence here. The vesting period is 2 years. The interest rate is 6%. The volatility is 20%. The dividend is equal to 0. The exit rate is equal to 4%. The multiple is 1.5. And we'll go with 5,000, which is a relatively large number of steps. Maybe I should have changed that. Let's run that and see how quickly the valuation takes. Actually quite fast. And we can verify our results if I go back into the table of contents here, we can come down and just verify our results. So if I zoom out ever so slightly and snip our value. So if I take, so if we look here at the parameters S, K, T, sigma, R, vesting, M is equal to 1.5, E is equal to 0.04. We note here that at the 5,000 steps, the value of the option is 27.85.35. Going back into our spreadsheet, 27.85.35, correct. Let's reduce the step size to 500 and run again. 27.86. Let's check here with the 500 steps. It's 27.86. Let's change the multiple to 2 and verify that we're going to get 34.98. Change the multiple to 2. Notice the valuation is multiple is 2, 34.97. So let's go back in. 34.98, 34.97.99. So virtually 98. Let's go to 5,000 steps. 34.99.60. 34.99.60. So we can see here that the JavaScript is working without any issues. Again, I leave the link to the code cell and you'll be able to recover this code. I'll leave a link to the actual cell in the video clip below. And all you need to do is to copy and paste the JavaScript into Google Sheets. So last thing perhaps is just put a name on this. And I'll say today is the 12th of the 11th, 2024, and JavaScript for Hull White Boyle-Lau ESO model. Okay, that's good.